Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about what stock we traded today and what are the profit me and my clients were able to book today. I'll be showing you with the profit proof and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. And also I did a live trading on Nifty future, so I'll be showing you the live trading also in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay. And also, if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details on my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. And also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. Okay. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you guys how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on a capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade. Today we traded on Infratel. So as you guys can see, the stock gave a very good movement and all our targets were achieved on the Infratel. Okay. So now let me show you the client screenshot of profit. So here is the first screenshot of profit, 1200 rupees profit. And as you guys can see, the client has given a very good feedback here. 1700 rupees profit, 4179 rupees profit. Okay, so these are the profit what we're able to book today in today's trade of Infratel. So guys, now let me show you my live trade what I did on Nifty future. So guys, as you can see, I have kept a sell of Nifty future 5 lots at 9076. So as of now it's at 2084. So we are not into any trades yet, so waiting for it to trigger. So we'll see how the bank Nifty would perform once the order is triggered. So 2083. So 2076 is our sell order. So this is short selling what I'm doing. 78. So 9078 has been touched. So guys, as you can see, I booked 3900 rupees profit. So let me just quickly show you my trade book. So yes, my 5 lots are also executed easily today, and 9066 was a target what I kept, like almost 10 points target, and my target was achieved at 10 o'clock 39 minutes. Okay, and I was able to book 3,900 rupees profit. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. So guys, yes, you just saw my live trading, and the platform which I used to do the live trading was Asta. So let me go to the margin and show you what was the capital I needed to trade in one lot of futures in Nifty. Okay, so to do in one lot of Nifty, I just needed 3,500 rupees. Okay, so I bought 5 lots as you guys saw. So I just traded on 5 lots and booked a profit of 3,900 rupees. And if you guys wish to make your account in Asta and get more margins, you can do it now. Okay, you can go to the link in the description below of this video and click on the link and open your account. So it's all an online process. The advantage what you get when you open Asta account is very good, that is you get more margin. Okay, and also for example today we trade on Infratel. So to do in Infratel we just needed 13,484 rupees. Okay, so as you guys saw here the screenshot, my client's profit. So even a few of my clients have also opened an account in Asta Trade also. So with just 13,000 rupees they made 1,200 rupees profit. Okay, so this is by 2 lots. Okay, so if you guys are interested to open your account on Asta Trade, you can go to the link in the description below of this video and open your account and get good margins. Okay, not only for the futures, even for equity cash also you get good margins. So up to 40 times you get margins for equities, and also for MCX also you get good margin. So you can go to the link in the description below of this video and check all the details. And if you guys wish to open your account, click on open an account and open your account. It's all an online process and it's an easy process. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.